Hi, Kenny. What are you doing? What you got in your mouth? What is that? What is that in your mouth?
That I don't like, but mommy gave to me.
What is that in your mouth there? Let's see that. You like that thing? Huh? Let me see you move that thing. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, isn't that nice? Let me see you do that. You like that thing, Kenny? You like that thing? Yeah, you are the best boy. Oh, there it is. There it is. Look at it. It popped out. You want Daddy to put it back in for you? There you go. How's that? How's that? Was that good? Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah. You like that thing? That's called a pacifier. How do you say it in Spanish, honey?
Bobo.
Bobo? Yeah, Bobo in Spanish. Pacifier in English. You like it? Huh? Okay, say bye-bye.